Task number 3, the top view and front view of a square-to-square transition piece drawn in first angle projection is shown in figure 3. Copy the given views of the transition piece, then develop all the surfaces. So start off by drawing the given view. Then take the time to number your base at the bottom and your base at the top. We will use numbers for the bottom, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we've got 1 and 4, and we have 2 and 3. A, B, C, and D. So we'll have A on the left, we've got D at the back, B in the front, and we've got C on the right. Using this information, you're going to draw the transition piece. I'm going to make my join at the back of my drawing at corner D, going down to the base, and at the base I'm going to call this point X. We will start off with line 1 to 2. We know that this is a true shape because it is parallel to the XY. It is also given to us as 50 millimeters. On the right hand side of your drawing, we are going to use the box method to find our true lengths. This method will work for every length of line that you are trying to find. So project your height and the base across. And just to keep my drawing nice and neat, I'm going to leave a nice gap, and I'm going to project a line, a vertical line going to the top. All of the widths or the lengths of the lines I'm going to take from my top view, and I'm going to place them along the bottom, and I'm going to draw a line from that point up to that length to find my true length. The lines we are looking for is line corner 1 to B. If I look at this line, it is not parallel in this view. 1 to B is not parallel in this view, therefore I have to find the true length of this line. So I go to my top view, take my compass, place it at 1, I open it up to corner B. Try and be as accurate as possible, and I go to this line I've created, and I scribe an arc. Draw in the construction for this line, and this will be the true length for line B to 1. I take my compass, I open it up to this true length, and I go to corner 1 and I say I am looking for corner B, and I scribe an arc. If I go and have a look at this side of the drawing, you will notice that it is mirrored. So the length of line for 2 to B is going to be exactly the same as 1 to B. So I can use this same method to find 2 to B. If I go and find all of these lengths, they are all going to be the same. So again, this is type 3, where we are going to find our different shapes. Here we've got 2 different triangles. So these 2 triangles are going to be placed next to each other, alternating. So we are going to say 2 looking for B, and there we have our first true shape of the larger triangle. At the next triangle that we look for, it is going to be this triangle here on either side. this is automatically a true length. So I can go to corner B, open it up, and the reason this is automatically a true length is because the base is parallel, and because it's parallel here, it means it's true over here. So I'm going to do this on either side of my drawing. I know that this length over here is the same as this one here. So I can do this on both sides. Mark that off. And I can draw those two triangles in. The next two triangles is a large triangle. I know that from corner 2, I'm going to look for corner 3. We know that that's 50, so I go to 2, and I look for 3. I go to 1, and I'm looking for corner 4. I know that this length here is the same as this one here, so I can automatically find the true shape of my larger circle, triangle. So I go up to corner A, and I mark that off. I go this side, and I mark that off. Next to the larger triangle, we are now going to have our smaller triangle. And you can see that this is fairly easy. So we're now going to go to CD. We know that this is a true length automatically. So we're going to mark off our true length on either side. We know that this triangle over here is this length here. And then the last triangle, you can do one large one on either side of these, or you could do half and half, which is the correct method of doing this. I'm going to do half on either side. We know that this is going to give me a 90-degree angle. Because this is an inclined angle, I'm going to have to find the true length of this line. So I go to my box, and there is my true length. You can simply join that last triangle up, and that is your drawing complete. Just to make sure that you have finished off your drawing correctly, you should have 4 base sides at the top, and you should have 4 at the bottom, with the 2 outer halves on the end. Don't forget to label your transition piece. And that's your drawing complete.